Hi friends, Simit here from InformedTrades.com. Today's Thursday, July 17th, 2014. Time for our daily Forex chart review. Basically, in these sessions each day, I share the trades I'm placing, adjustments to existing positions that I put on the markets, all as a part of helping traders learn. The trades I'm putting on are trades on live accounts. They're my FX book verified. We have that link over on Informed Trades. You can check out the trading results there. If any information I'm presenting is unfamiliar to you, check out Informed Trades. Huge archive of learning material, all to help traders learn. Let's get started with a look at the charts. Okay, right now on the screen we have a chart of gold. So gold did successfully defend the 50 simple moving average, bounced off 1292 yesterday. So now we are between the 50 simple moving average and the 200 exponential moving average. Long term, I still favor accumulating, and that's sort of the way I'm looking at it, or on a multi-year basis. I think we'll go past the 2011 highs. In the near term, support is at 1290. And resistance, I think, would be at the 200 exponential moving average at 1312. That's at least the first resistance level. But in the bigger picture, I think we're basically back in this range that we've been in since March of 2014, between 1270 basically and 1330. Bitcoin, moving on to Bitcoin. Another 2 tight days in a row, so a double doji pattern. I think this is really a great, whenever I see this pattern, I think it's a great time to trade the volatility, unless you have a specific direction in mind. Personally, I think we're headed to 680 unless we go past 600. So I think so long as we're above point C on the chart here, the tendency favors, or the trend favors, a move to 680. You can sort of see the AB equals CD pattern here. Move this over a little bit. So yeah, but we are at a major inflection point. Let's see if the 50 simple moving average is defended, as well as if point C on this AB equals CD pattern that you can see here is also defended. So nothing much has changed, although we still have that consolidation pattern that we've seen since yesterday. Okay, pound Swiss. This trade is now closed out for profit. It hit my profit target yesterday, so that was really good. I can remove this. Pound Canada, this came very close to hitting my stop loss, right? So, basically I was short at 84.14 at a resistance level, which is also a 50% Fibonacci retracement level, or excuse me, a 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. We also have a pattern of lower highs in place, so I thought there were a number of signs to go short. And now we're getting closer to being in the clear here. As price is now declining, so position is back in the money. Almost hit my stop yesterday, but did not. So that's comforting. That's reassuring. My Canada-Swiss position. I was asked a question on Informed Trades yesterday about where I would cancel this order and just give up on it, and I have done that on Canada-Swiss. I don't see it. This is a missed opportunity. It didn't fill my entry. Missed it by a few pips. That's unfortunate, but not much I can do. The trade wasn't filled, so I didn't lose any money either, so that's good. But I'll basically remove this from the watch list here. Now, 2 new orders that were put on today. Canada Yen, you can see where we're at. It was pretty close. I've got my entry order at 94.33, my stop at 93.85. We have a long wick yesterday at the support level that goes back to here, April of 2014. We also have the 50 simple moving average there. We're also near a 50% Fibonacci retracement. So those are often the signs I look for: a support level, some candlestick patterns, 50 simple moving average, a 50% Fibonacci retracement. We have all of that here, so that's really reassuring. I put my stop well below all of those signs at 93.85, and target profit is 96.18. Which is still more than 3-to-1 reward risk, and this target profit is, as you can see on the chart, the high of July, the high we saw in early July, July 2nd. So that's Canada again. We are also seeing strengths on the Canadian dollar on many other pairs, and that's as illustrated by my short pound Canada trade. So basically, this trade, even if it doesn't work out, it has all the signs that I'm looking for. So I would consider it a trade worth taking. And similar situation on Aussie Yen. Entering at support here, we're a little further, so it's a little less likely this order will get filled. But we're at 90. Order to go long at 94.71. Stop is at 94.20 with a target profit at the high of back in July early July, 96.45. We see this is very similar to Canada yen. The whole, we have the long wicks, we have the 50 simple moving average. We're entering at a support level that was established back in April. We're also at a 50% Fibonacci retracement, so this is very similar to the Canada yen trade. And the fact that we're seeing the pattern on both pairs, seeing those signs in both pairs, is also something I find positive and worth another confirmation sign, another positive indicator that the trade is valid. One other trade or one other order I forgot to add or discuss, I still have this pending order, is Aussie dollar. This is looking a little less likely like it's going to get filled, and I'll probably cancel, in fact. Came very close to getting filled yesterday, but didn't. Unfortunately, that's happened to me a number of times lately. Missed it by just a few points. Excuse me. Enter at long 93.30 with my stop at 93.02. Target profit 94.28. And we had the signs: 50 simple moving average, the support level. The support level goes back to mid-June, and the 50 simple moving average, all right there. Long wick pattern, candlesticks confirming that buyers are stepping in. If I had my entry order placed a little higher, that would have worked better. So that's sort of the take-home lesson for that. But we'll see. This order will probably get canceled. So that's about it for my trading. Basically, the only short-term Forex trades that I have on at the moment are Pound Canada, short Pound Canada, and I have the Aussie yen order and Canada yen order that haven't gotten filled yet, but they're pending, and Canada in particular looks like it might get filled. That's about it for my trading for today. Any questions you have, anything you want to add, join us at InformedTrades.com. We have a huge archive of learning material there as well, designed from beginners to more advanced, covering all markets. So if any information I'm presenting is, went through it quickly, you want to review it or learn more, ask questions, join us at InformedTrades. Best of luck in your trading, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care.